In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Miro and Lucidchart. Choosing the right tool can significantly impact the efficiency and success of your team's projects. So let's dive into discovering which one might best suit your needs. When considering Miro, think of collaborative whiteboarding, brainstorming sessions, and dynamic workshops. Miro excels in creating a limitless canvas that fosters creativity and collaboration among team members no matter where they are physically located. Imagine the freedom to draw, add sticky notes, and seamlessly incorporate various media forms all at once. The beauty of Miro is its ability to simulate a real-life, in-person brainstorming session within a digital space. So, if your goal is to cultivate creative ideas within a team environment and remove the constraints that typical meeting software might impose, Miro could be an excellent choice. Now let's shift our focus to Lucidchart. Lucidchart shines when structured diagrams, flowcharts, and technical documentation are required. It's the go-to tool for creating comprehensive and precise representations of processes and systems. With its drag-and-drop simplicity and wide range of shapes and line connections, Lucidchart is perfect for engineers, architects, and product developers seeking clarity in presenting their thoughts and ideas. If accuracy and detail are your priorities, Lucidchart's laser-focused design tools can help streamline communication and convey complex information more effectively. When deciding between these two platforms, consider the nature of your projects. If your work is largely collaborative and relies heavily on generating and refining ideas in a group setting, Miro presents a perfect opportunity to express abstract concepts and ideas freely. Its intuitive interface encourages team members to think outside the box and get their creative juices flowing. Meanwhile, Lucidchart is your ally for projects that demand meticulous attention to detail and systematic arrangement. If establishing order, tracking processes, or visualizing data structures is your order of the day, Lucidchart supports those objectives seamlessly. A practical tip to bear in mind is to assess your team's workflow and preferred style of working. Are they more inclined towards free-form creative exploration, or do they thrive in clearly defined frameworks and guidelines? Understanding these preferences will guide you in making a more informed decision between Miro and Lucidchart. Furthermore, both platforms offer integrations with popular tools like Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, and Slack, among others. This ensures your team remains efficient and connected, regardless of which platform you choose. Remember to utilize the trial versions typically offered by both Miro and Lucidchart. These trials provide a risk-free opportunity to experience firsthand how each tool fits into your team's operations. Ultimately, choosing between Miro and Lucidchart should align with the tasks and goals your team is pursuing. Evaluate their strengths and how they can enhance your productivity and success. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision on which tool to use for your next project.